Unlock your full potential as a real estate agent by mastering the Zillow Premier Agent platform. First, to effectively manage your prospects, click on the Leads tab in the left-hand navigation menu. This immediately brings you to your comprehensive lead management dashboard. Here, you'll see an organized list of all your leads. Utilize the filters at the top to sort them by status, such as new inquiries, active clients, or those needing follow-up, ensuring you prioritize efficiently. Click on any individual lead to open their detailed profile from this dedicated page. You can review their activity, access their contact information, and directly send messages or make calls using the integrated communication tools. To update your professional presence, navigate to your profile and settings area. This section allows you to effortlessly refine your contact information, update your agent bio, and upload high-quality profile photos that represent you professionally. Within your profile, you can also manage client reviews, respond to feedback, and proactively request new testimonials to bolster your online credibility and attract more future business. For seamless communication, access the Inbox or Messages tab. This centralized hub displays all your ongoing conversations with leads, allowing you to quickly review recent interactions and respond to new messages. From here, you can open any message thread to view the full conversation history. Use the text input box at the bottom to compose and send your replies, maintaining clear and timely communication directly within the platform. By mastering these core navigation skills, you'll unlock the full power of Zillow Premier Agent, streamlining your lead management, optimizing your profile, and enhancing client communication to grow your business effectively.